Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to apply for a loan with Royal Bank of Scotland. So once you're on the Royal Bank of Scotland homepage, simply go to Products. Then click Loans and then select See Our Plans. This will then take you straight to the Personal Loans page, and that's where the whole process starts. So right at the top, you then see an option that says Get your free personalized quote. So this is your first step. It's a quick way to check what rate and loan amount you might actually qualify for. And it doesn't affect your credit score, which is super helpful if you're just exploring. So on that same page, you will also find a loan calculator. So you can type in how much you want to borrow, let's say £10,000, and how long you want to repay it over. It will instantly show you your monthly payment rate, total repayment amount, and the representative APR. So you can roughly see what your loan would cost. And if you scroll down, you also see examples of what you can use your loan for, like buying a car, improving your home, consolidating debt, and even taking a trip. Now, before you actually apply, make sure you meet the requirements. So you need to be 18 or older, live in the UK, and have an RBS current account that's been open for at least 3 months. You also shouldn't have been bankrupt in the last 6 years or applied for another RBS loan within the past month. And once everything is ready, simply click Get My Personalized Quote. And after that, you will then move on to the full application, where you then fill in your income, outgoings, and address details. So if you're logged into RBS digital banking, some info might even automatically fill in, which makes things a lot quicker. And here's the cool part. If you're approved before 5:45 p.m. on a weekday, you could actually get your money the same day. And that's it. So that's how you apply for a loan online with RBS. So it's really that simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.